That's not at all what I expected.
It's on fire in there.
Not gonna be on fire for long.
No, I mean it's... Yeah. Oh, you know what? You might have sprayed too much. It was too rich.
Yeah.
Go lean.
Go lean and go home.
Lean it out.
Yeah, I'm exhausting all the...
Is the exhaust stroke?
Yeah. It's exhaust bellows.
Oh, that was more flashing.
Maybe very little?
Yeah.
Just a squirt?
Because it seems to burn on the outside, not the inside. In fact, it may have enough in there right now. Just step on it, or just stick the lighter in there. That was
almost
more. Yeah, that was more what I was thinking. Ah! Ah! Oh, there it goes.
There it is.
Yeah. Oh, it's sucking off. Yeah, but it's staying seated. I put the air hose on it.
There it is. Sealed.
Oh man, that was
was
pretty good.
The first one seems like the first time I ever did it, it was a little bit more consistent.
Yeah.
Or a little bit more expected, I should say.
That's the first time I've ever done it. That was great. Uh-oh, tires on backwards. Just kidding.